Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prajwala Shrivastav. This is my first YouTube video. So in this video, I am going to talk about marketing and marketing mix. So first we see what is marketing. Marketing is the process of getting potential clients and customers interested in your portfolio, that is products and services. The word marketing refers to activities a company takes on to promote buying or selling of their products and services. We can also state that marketing is the process of understanding your customers and building and maintaining relationships with them. The purpose of any marketing strategy is to create brand awareness and get potential customers to choose a company's product or services over its competitors. Next is types of marketing. There are two types of marketing, offline or traditional marketing and online marketing. It is also called digital marketing. So first we see offline marketing. In offline marketing, it is generally focused on product. Offline marketing communicates with customers with their mobile numbers and staff. Target audience met at one place. Offline marketing is the process of selling products or goods through offline channels like print ads and telemarketing, etc. Advantages of offline or traditional marketing. It is easily ordered at short notice, ordered exactly what you need, valuable for promoting loyalty schemes, builds relationships when networking, gives your customers something tangible. Disadvantages of offline or traditional marketing. Limitation in audience reach, high marketing cost, limited accessibility and time frame. Next is of online marketing. In online marketing, it is generally focused on content. It is the process of selling products or goods through online channels like social media, ads, emails. Advantages of offline, online or digital marketing. It convenience and quick services, low cost for operations, ability to multitask, diversified marketing and advertising, better sales relationships. Disadvantages of online or digital marketing. High competition, dependability on technology, time consuming, security and privacy issues, connectivity or interest on the internet. Next we see what is marketing mix. In marketing mix, it is a set of marketing tools or tactics used to promote a product or services in the marketing and sell it. It is all about positioning a product and deciding it to sell in the right place, at the right price and right time. The product will then be sold according to marketing and promotional strategy. The components of marketing mix consist of 4 P's: product, price, place, and promotions. In the business sector, the marketing managers plan a marketing strategy taking into consideration all the 4 P's. However, nowadays the marketing mix increasingly includes several other P's for vital development. The 7 P's model is a marketing model that modifies the 4 P's model. As marketing mix, 4P is becoming an old trend, and nowadays marketing business needs deep understanding of the rise in new technology and concept. So 3 more new P's were added in the old 4 P's model to give a deep understanding of the concept of the marketing piece mix. Now we see 7 P's of in marketing mix. First P is product in marketing mix. A product is a commodity produced or built to satisfy the need of an individual or a group. The product can be intangible or tangible, as it can be in the form of services or goods. It is important to do extensive research before developing a product, as it has a fluctuating life cycle, from the growth phase to the maturity phase to the sales decline phase. Next P is price in marketing mix. Price is a very important component of the marketing mix definition. The price of the product is basically the amount that a customer pays for to enjoy it. Price is the most critical element of a marketing plan because it dedicates a company's survival and profit. Adjusting the price of the product even a little bit has a big impact on the entire marketing strategy, as well as greatly affecting the sales and demand of the product in the market. Things to keep on mind while determining the cost of the product are the competitor's price, list price, customer location, discount, terms of sale, etc. Place in marketing mix. Placement or distribution is a very important part of the marketing mix strategy. We should position and distribute our product in a place that is easily accessible to potential buyers or customers. Promotion in marketing mix. It is a marketing communication process that helps the company to publish the product and its features to the public. It is the most expensive or essential components of the marketing mix that helps to grab the attention of the customers and influence them to buy the product. Most of the marketers use promotion tactics to promote their products and reach out to the public or the target audience. The promotion might include direct marketing, advertising, personal branding, sales promotion, etc. People in marketing mix. The company's employees are important in marketing because they are the ones who deliver the services to clients. It is important to hire and train the right people to deliver superior service to the clients. Whether they run a support desk, customer service, copywriters, programmers, etc. It is very important to find people who genuinely believe in the products or services that the particular business creates, as there is a huge chance of giving their best performance. Adding to it, the organization should accept the honest feedback from the employees about the business and should input their own thoughts and passions which can scale and grow the business. Next P is process in marketing mix. We should always make sure that the business process is well structured and verified regularly to avoid mistakes and minimize costs. To maximize the profit, it's important to tighten up the enhancement process. Next and last P is physical evidence in marketing mix. In the service industries, there should be physical evidence that the services was delivered. A concept of this is branding. For example, when you think of fast food, you think of KFC. When you think of sports, the names Nike and Adidas come to your mind. So this is all about marketing and marketing mix. Thank you. Please do like, subscribe and share this video.